Hello, planner friends. I know I have not posted videos in at least a couple of weeks. It has just been a little bit crazy here for me. So I am doing this week is going to be July 26th through the first day of August. Oh my gosh, can you believe how time flies? I really hope that I'm going to have a chance to post some of the other videos I've done. As you can see, I was so busy I didn't even get to write anything on the last week. So it's been a little bit of a crazy, hectic time for me. So for this week, what I will be doing is I have a sticker book, and I have so many sticker books that I just never get around to using. But I have this sticker book that I really don't like. And it's the Wild and Chic, and I don't know why I don't really like it. I guess it's just a little too colorful for me. So on the 29th, it's going to be International Tiger Day. And this is one of the books that actually has some tigers in it. So I want to use some of these stickers because, as you can see, this book is still pretty unused. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to try and make something fairly simple. I do have a lot of stuff going on work-wise. We are getting hammered with licensing applications for facilities, which is awesome and amazing. So I know most of this week is going to be spent on licensing applications and updating our PowerPoints for our classes. So I want to give myself plenty of room to write, so I'm going to go through this and I'm going to see how I can lay this out fairly simply and use as many of these tiger related stickers as I possibly can. So let's get into it. Alrighty, well, I think I've done enough damage for this spread. So I know it's a little bit busier than I would like. I think it actually, now that I look at it from far away, it looks a little cluttered. Oh well, I mean, it is what it is. I reached a goal and used stuff from this particular book, which I don't like, so that's probably why I don't really like this spread. But anyways, here it is. Hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing this video. If not, that's okay. I know this isn't one of my best ones. Leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.